Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss list of COVID-19 vaccine authorization in all over the world. So, let's start. National regulatory authorities have granted emergency use of authorization for 24 COVID-19 vaccines, and they are the Oxford-AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine is a viral vector vaccine produced by the British University of Oxford, British-Swedish company AstraZeneca, and the Coalition of Epidemic Preparedness Innovations. The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, also known as Comirnaty, is a mRNA vaccine produced by the German company BioNTech and the American company Pfizer. The Moderna COVID-19 vaccine, also known as Spikevax, is a mRNA vaccine produced by the American company Moderna, the U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease, the U.S. Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority, and the Coalition of Epidemic Preparedness Innovations. The Janssen COVID-19 vaccine is a viral vector vaccine produced by Janssen Pharmaceutica and Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center. It is also known as Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine and as COVID-19 vaccine Janssen. The Sinopharm-BBIBP COVID-19 vaccine is an inactivated virus vaccine produced by the China National Pharmaceutical Group and its Beijing Institute of Biological Products. The Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine is a viral vector vaccine produced by the Russian Gamaleya Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology. The CoronaVac is an inactivated virus vaccine produced by the Chinese company Sinovac-Biotech. Covaxin is an inactivated virus vaccine produced by the Indian company Bharat-Biotech and the Indian Council of Medical Research. Sputnik Light is a viral vector vaccine produced by the Russian Gamaleya Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology. It actually consists of the first dose of the Sputnik V vaccine, which is based on the AD26 vector. Convidecia is a viral vector vaccine produced by the Chinese company CanSino Biologics and the Beijing Institute of Biotechnology of the Academy of Military Medical Science. The Sinopharm-WIBP COVID-19 vaccine is an inactivated virus vaccine produced by the China Medical Pharmaceutical Group and its Wuhan Institute of Biological Products. Abdala is a subunit vaccine developed by the Center of Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology in Cuba. EpiVacCorona is a peptide vaccine produced by the Russian State Research Center of Virology and Biotechnology Vector. Zifivax is a subunit vaccine produced by the Chinese company Anhui Zhifei Langcom Biopharmaceutical. Soberna 02 is a conjugate vaccine developed by the Finlay Institute in Cuba. Qazcovid-in, also known as Qazvac, is an inactivated virus vaccine developed by the Research Institute for Biological Safety Problems in Kazakhstan. CoviVac is an inactivated virus vaccine produced by the Chumakov Center at the Russian Academy of Sciences. Minhai COVID-19 vaccine is an inactivated virus vaccine developed by Minhai Biotechnology Co. and Shenzhen Kangtai Biological Products Co. Limited in China. COVIRan Bareket is an inactivated virus vaccine developed by Shifa Farm Industrial Co. in Iran. FAKHRAVAC is an inactivated virus vaccine developed in Iran by the Organization of Defensive Innovation and Research and Organization of Iran's Ministry of Defense. Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences COVID-19 vaccine is an inactivated virus vaccine developed by Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences. MVC-CoV-19-01 is a protein subunit vaccine developed by Medigen Vaccine Biologics and Dynavax Technologies. ZyCoV-D is a DNA plasmid-based COVID-19 vaccine developed by the Indian-based pharmaceutical company Cadila healthcare with support from the Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council. Covax-19, also known as Pycogen, is a protein subunit vaccine jointly developed by Australian-based company Vaccine and Iran-based company Chinagen. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching my video and subscribe it, like it, share it. So for today, bye bye.